Here's the app called Fender Studio. Capture ideas anywhere. Fender Studio is an all-new app for recording, jamming, and capturing your creativity whenever and wherever it strikes. Packed with authentic Fender tones, it's fast, fun, and free for guitar players and music creators of all types. With a simple user interface and essential features for recording, editing, and mixing, Fender Studio's intuitive design and versatile import-export options make it easy to start your creative journey. Whether you're recording your first song, jamming with backing tracks, or editing a podcast, plug your guitar into Fender Link IO or other interface, pick a jam track, and start playing right away, or hit record to capture inspiration. Free app with full support for iOS, iPadOS, macOS. Pretty cool. So this is original app by Fender. Uh, just released, so it's completely new app. So you can just open sessions, new session. You can create a new session, select presets, and start recording, start adding vocals, bass, others. Then you can just start to record. Then you can jam. You can add all of these elements. It's pretty cool, super easy. There are tutorials, there is setup, and yeah, super cool to just use it on iOS.